Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Top stories this hour. Another protest against hill cutting for housing project. Sandeep Vaigankar's brain mapping test on Friday. Goa police carry out combing operation at Chimbal. And Ivana Talasha Natasha, who's Dempo's next ambassador. Now the news in detail. Residents of Nuez stopped the illegal hill cutting in the area for an upcoming housing project. Here is a report.
Repeated statements have been made by Goikas that they are not against development, but they can't put their motherland at stake for some amount of money. Here is one where villagers of Nuez stopped the illegal hill cutting.
We are not against any development projects, but certainly not at the destruction of the precious land and what nature has given us, this hill. To cut a hill with all the environmental impacts is not acceptable. Such projects doesn't have infrastructures. We don't have water. We don't have electricity. When we don't have, how the government will give connection to water, electricity for this project?
You are cutting our hill which has been here for ages, and hill, as any Tom, Dick and Harry, even a small child knows, natural resources. You are interfering with the nature. That is our biggest grievance and this offence.
They have chopped the trees
you have cut the trees without proper permission. You felling of trees. So why are we having so much climatic imbalance? Because of this. Now if we are not going to be bothered even now, are we going to wait till the water comes to the neck level and we are about to drown to blame the authorities?
Acting Sarpanch of Nuez, Menino Mascarenas, reached at the site.
License was given long time. And license, in the license it is mentioned and what sort of things, the slopey, this and that, you have to maintain. So they have to maintain. If they don't maintain, they have written a letter to the collector. Let the collector decide what they have to do. So
They can cut a hill.
No, they have got a permission to cut the hill. But the slope, what
Who
sort
has
of...
But at what gradient? Can you explain him? At what gradient?
But we are not the authority to give them permission to do the hill cutting.
But who has given this permission?
Collector. And town general. Because they come, they say so and so grading, you have to do the cutting. So they have to follow the specification of their guidelines.
Later, police also reached at the site. Only time will tell how many more protests the state will have to face. Our reporter in Margao, Santan Rodriguez.
After Sandeep Vaigankar got released on bail on Monday, finally Goa police got appointment from Mumbai lab for his brain mapping. The test will be conducted on Friday evening.
Although the prime accused in Irish Prajal attack is out on bail, the investigation has started moving ahead. Police will take Sandeep Vaigankar for his brain mapping to Mumbai on Thursday. The test was supposed to be done 2 weeks back, but the lab in Mumbai postponed the brain mapping of Sandeep as they were busy with the brain mapping of Malegaon bomb blast accused. Now it will be interesting to see what more revelation the brain mapping brings out. Our reporter from Panji, Sunny Narvekar.
After an innocent move of school children dumping the garbage in CCP in absence of CCP mayor and deputy mayor, the CCP mayor called a joint meeting on Wednesday evening with teachers. They came to a joint conclusion to fight against garbage issue with government. If necessary, decisions are not taken within the given time.
तेणी एश्योरन्स दिला ते जायना जाल्यार आमी एकवटान सगळे भायर सरतले आनी गव्हर्मेंटाक अटॅक करतले की आमकां सायड जाता तितली अर्जंट दिवची म्हणून आनी हो प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करपाक बरोबर सगळ्यांनी आनी तशेंच मागता पणजेच्या लोकां कडेन तेणी सगळ्यांनी आमकां हेल्प करचो तेन्ना सगळे म्हणजे इस्कॉलाच्या वांगडा पणजेच्या लोकांनी येवचो.
He further asked for the cooperation of all teachers, parents and people from Panji to solve the garbage issue.
एक गार्बेज प्रॉब्लेम आसा तो आमच्या सीसीपीच्यान आनी कॉर्पोरेट आहा तांणी सॉल्व करून एकल्यान जायना सीसीपीन तेन्ना तांचोय आमकां आदार जावो सॉल्व करपाक तेन्ना ते रेडी जाल्यार आमकां तेंचोय आदार दिवपाक तेंको दिवपाक आनी हो प्रॉब्लेम सॉल्व करपाक फुडें चलूं ते रेडी आहा with the students, parents, teachers.
It is a residential area which is thickly populated. It is institutional area plus it is a commercial area. The Pata Plaza, there are about 4,000 people working in the Pata Plaza area. So that makes more than 15,000 people at a time from 8 o'clock to 1 o'clock in the morning within a small area. So they are getting this garbage smell which is bad for health. And now after discussion with the mayor, with Mr. Yatin Parekh and all the corporators, we have come to the conclusion that it is a problem which has to be solved jointly.
Now with CCP joining hand with agitated people against garbage, the government needs to take the decision as soon as possible or has to get ready to face another agitation in the state. Our reporter in Panji, Manoj Arulkar.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.